हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू ओमी मल्टीमीडिया। मैं आप लोगों को स्वागत करता हूँ मेरा चैनल ओमी मल्टीमीडिया में। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे हॉर्स रिग पार्ट 2 में। हम लोग लास्ट टाइम डिस्कस किए थे हॉर्स रिग पार्ट 1 फॉर द entire process of the bone creation, so how to create the bone and skeleton, all the things. So now we're discussing about the part 2 for the second like C number is like IK and FK. So I think this is a topic for the IK and FK. Like see, this is very useful for the rigging artist for the regarding for the IK and FK. So IK is like inverse kinematics and FK is the forward kinematics. So this is the definition, but I think IK for using for more flexible rig. So more flexible is working with the inverse or like say order. So FK is like forward kinematics. You always do the spline curvy type like see animation के लिए always prefer the FK. So this is the basic concept, but more you just be focused with the IK and FK. So let's go. So great. So I think before start, let's move to before putting the IK and FK. So I just move to first of all freeze the entire thing. So just what is just we click the freeze transform. Then again is we putting the naming like say joint. So this is very useful for the rigging part. So I just be tail 1, tail 2, tail 3. So like that you just be put the naming as compared to your requirement. So for the bone setup you just be put the specific name. So cool. So this is the take time. So I think so you just be do as per your requirements for the like say naming specification. You just put the naming specification. Or another thing is that for the LRA for what? So local area rotational. So I think this is very useful to do the LRA setup. So you can go to skeleton, go to orient joint, and again you just be click with the LRA. So this is for the orient joint to world wise. So this is like my world wise. So but I don't need to relate it to world wise. So if you want to do the X and G and X, so I think this is a good thing. So you just be follow one by other. So I think just be using the F8 and just click to this one. So this is your LRA. So LRA X axis move to down. So this is my X and this is my Y and this is my G. So I think this is my enter LRA is just be followed by a similar process. So let's check, let's do the similar thing to all the bone setup. आपको पूरे एरिया में सिमिलर बोन सेटअप का आपको सेटअप करना. सो आई थिंक डन. सो लेट्स go to IK and FK. So first of all do the two things. One is the freeze, second is the naming, third is the check the LRA. So these three things you just be do before start the IK and FK, control all things. So let's go, let's move. So again let's be move to for the skeleton, then again create IK handle. So as we do the using the RP for the this part. So click then again click for the leg to then again ankle. So this is my RP. Then again same thing is we do the again RP for the Y and just we click the RP again. So this is for RP again. So let's see, move to again RP, select and select. So then again just Y and select. So this thing is done by using the RP. So after RP, so I think I just be using the SC for like see, I just click the IK handle. So I just be using the SC for this ankle to ball to toe. So just be click and click. So then again just using click and click. So this is a little bit simple process. You just be always follow the same thing, okay, for using the character and animals whatever. So IK you always be using the similar process for the RP and SC. So for the single chain and is the plane rotational. So you just be using the same process. So it's done. This is a single chain. So I just be using one bone to another bone. So this is my single chain. So RP just be using between 3 bones. So this is the RP. So I think you are clear about RP and SC. So I think cool, clear. So IK is done. So once I just be down. So but this is shifted. So what I do, so I just will click with the आई के हैंडल. सो एंड अगेन जस्ट बी यूजिंग कंट्रोल ए. मैंने इसमें कंट्रोल ए यूज कर रहा हूँ. कंट्रोल ए फॉर व्हाट? फॉर द attribute editor. So just move to control A. So there is some certain options for the I can handle attribute. So then again there is some option for stickiness. So then it just be sticky. Same thing you can do at here also. You can do here also. So you just be do enter like see IK. So you can put the word for the sticky. So I need to do that. The sticky one is necessary for me for the once I just be IK just shifted to down. So this things is done properly. So इसके लिए मैं कर रहा हूँ. So I just be do the sticky things. So let's see, move to again sticky. So you have to do. So this is mandatory for you can making all the things. So now what do you think? What do you see? So once I just be down, so it will look like that. So this is my sticky things. So I think clear. I think this is very clear about you guys. So this is like clear. So now, so I think I just be put the like see IK thing. IK thing is done. So now let's move to some certain FK for related to word for the tail part. How to do the tail things. So also इसको बनाने के लिए मेरे पास options है for the attribute editor. But now I just be using for the word. I just be using for the FK. So for the controller and again orientation for the constraint. So let's see, do the some different controllers. So how I just be third thing is like controller always help to word. You just be making kind of like see control. So kind of so for like see whatever expression you need, whatever deformation you need, you just be change the controller, then you can see the output. So that time can using the controller. So now I just be creating some certain controller. So for that part pose. So now I just move to curve. Then again this is my word, this is my circle. So I just be create one circle. So मैंने circle बना के so just move to tail area. So मैं tail के पास लेके जा रहा हूँ. So just down. So just little bit down for that. Okay, just go to 4. Then again just be. So this is my word. This is my controller and this is my word. This is my mesh. As little bit rotate for that. So आप इसको rotate कर दीजिए for the tail के लिए. So then again if you think कि नहीं ये सिर्फ छोटा है, मेरा controller छोटा है, just little bit increase the size. So I think so cool. This is not a big deal. So I think it's done. So let's see, move to this one also. So I just control D. So for move, then again I think this is V and again rotate again. So I think this is cool. So again same thing, same procedure using for this part also. So you can do. So then again move to control D and I think it just be again for the V. So again for the word you just be using for the V. So then again you can using the same thing for the V. So again, so this is cool. So now I just want to increase the size of things. So number of controller is not visible. The control must be visible because this is it just be helpful. So this is our helpful is always like see change the deformation, all the things. So that's why you just be using the controller. So you just be again आप इसको अच्छे से मैनेज करो कि किस तरीके से चाहिए. So I think this is the same process. So just be using for enter thing. So this is my controller. So now what? So you first of all freeze all the controllers. So how? So इसके लिए my rig में nothing is there. So I just be want to add some certain selection. So just be select all, then again knobs curve. So I just be control and shift, then again click. Once click, enter. Knobs curve selected. So now there is number of value, all the things. So then let's go to move for freeze. I just click with the freeze again. So then just we click. Once click, the entire value is 0. So now like it means this is why start value is always in 0. So and the scale is 1. So let's cool. I think it's cool. So let's say just we do with the fastly for the enter link things. So just select. So I think you need some little bit more rotational things. So you can do that again. So then again just do the freeze also. So I need to again move to free. So let's see, select and select. So now I just be using the what is the constraint. So name is orient constraint. Orient constraint is using for what, for the making the rotation value. So this is my parent, this is my child. So child, so जैसे मैं कंट्रोल रोटेट करूँगा, so मेरा बोन रोटेट होना चाहिए. So accordingly I just be got the deformation related to tail. So किस तरीके से आपको deformation चाहिए. So I think just select and select. So then again just be clear the orientation. So but now what you always be maintain offset is just be click on, because this is very efficient for the rotating all things. Otherwise just be creating the distance between our controller and objects. So I think you always tick on the maintain offset value. So just be add. So again same thing you can do with here also. So let's see, orient. Again same thing for the click the orientation, you can do with the orientation. Again click with the orientation, you just be using the again same thing for the orientation. I think school, so I think understanding. So let's see, click with the orientation. So let's see, select and again click with the orientation. So now cool. So what, so just select and copy. So not a copy, this is a parent, child parent. So just a click, then again click. So now so click, so then again so click, then again click. So now so what done. So this is my rotational things done. So let's see किस तरीके से आपको rotate करना है. So let's see, but suppose you just be select this one and again rotate, you can fill the curve. So but not affected in a mesh. So what, you just be click with the center pivot. So just click with the center pivot. So now I select this one and I just select the bone. So main bone, this is my main bone, or this is my mesh. I just select the mesh and again click the main bone. I just put the skin, this is my bind skin. Just we connect with the reset. So just we do with the bind skin. So जैसे bind skin करता हूँ, so what, the mesh and bone it just be attached. So it means what, whenever I just be moved to my bone, so it means my mesh will be effect. So I think there is nothing is further related to paint effect, so it will be do further steps. So but now I just be once click. So now what, I just be once rotate my enter thing is just be rotate. So now I just be little bit rotate with that here also. So but this is not a big problem. This is my little bit edit with the skinning, I think. So just be little bit paint with the skinning. So I'm just go to little for faster for just showing how to do the paint thing. So this is I'll explain with the last part for the skinning part, बट मैं इसको फास्टली थोड़ा सा पेंट कर देता हूँ कि किस तरीके से पेंट करके इसका जो बोन का इन्फ्लुएंस है इसको ठीक कर रेडी करना. सो लेट्स सी. सो दिस इज़ फॉर द आपको आउटपुट दिखाने के लिए मैं थोड़ा सा फास्टली इसको सारी इन्फ्लुएंस को ठीक कर दिया. सो नाउ वी कैन सी द बेटर आउटपुट. सो लेट्स सी, यहाँ पर हम लोग डिस्कस किए रिलेटेड टू IK एंड FK. सो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे रिलेटेड टू स्प्लाइन IK. सो स्प्लाइन IK किस तरीके से वर्क करता है, तो ये हॉर्स रिग में स्प्लाइन IK का कितना इंपॉर्टेंस है. सो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. सो फॉर द नेक्स्ट वीडियो फॉर पार्ट 3, सो चेक आउट माई यूट्यूब चैनल. सो थैंक यू सो मच.